Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your English language class again. I hope you all are doing great at your home and taking care of yourself. So before we move to revision number 5, we'll quickly see what we have done the last time. That is, we were revising chapter number 5. We have done already chapter 6. Then we have revised chapter 4. And now chapter 5 we did half of it, right? Now the leftover portion of chapter 5 we will do, that is page number 14. So we have already done page number 13 and I have given you the answer. Yes, I am doing revision with you. I have already given you the answer of page 13, a written answer in the slide. And today we will be doing page number 14 and I will give you the answers of the sentences which I gave you last time to do in your CW copy. I have given you 8 sentences to do it in your CW copy, to write the positive and negative sentences, write questions and answers, so that we will do it. The answer I will give you today. Okay, so these are the 2 things we will be doing. So let's go ahead. We all know about the yes and no interrogatives, that these are the questions that we answer with a yes or a no response, and they are being asked every day, everywhere we face it, from home to school to work to everywhere around, wherever we go. So let's go directly to the page, that is number 10. Now, what is number 10? Did you enjoy reading this story? Yes, I enjoyed reading this story. No, I did not enjoy reading this story. Do you know Venus is the hottest of all planets? Yes, I know that Venus is the hottest of all planets. No, I don't know that Venus is the hottest of all planets. We have done the short forms also last time, where the O from the word not is omitted and we club or we join the helping verb, that is do and not, together, and we put it as don't. It's the short form. Number 12, are these children drawing? Yes, these children are drawing. No, these children are not drawing. So it's a yes answer, it's a no answer. No answer are always negative answer. Number 13, will you come to my house in the evening? Yes, I will come to your house in the evening. No, I will not come to your house in the evening. Number 14, were they playing cricket yesterday? Yes, they were playing cricket yesterday. No, they were not playing cricket yesterday. Number 15, has Ramesh borrowed Kamal's watch? Yes, Ramesh has borrowed Kamal's watch. No, Ramesh has not borrowed Kamal's watch. Okay. Number 16, was it raining in the morning? Yes, it was raining in the morning. No, it wasn't. See, I have not used in all. You may use it, you may not use it. Okay. It wasn't raining in the morning. Number 17, do you need to paint the pots? Yes, I need to paint the pots. No, I don't need to paint the pots. Number 18, are you going to US? Yes, I am going to the US. No, I am not going to the US. So, these are the 18 sentences and we finish up with the chapter number 5, that is statement and questions. Questions and answers. Okay. Now, I gave you few sentences last day. I guess you all remember about it. And if I have discussed this page, for example, this page number 14 I have already discussed with you before, but I never gave you the answers. So I have written down the answers for you and I am giving it to you now. So we will move on to the next part of our video today. That is, I'll give you the answers of the 8 sentences which I gave you to do it in your CW copy. I hope you all have done in your classwork copy till now. So these are the answers. Now I am giving you all the answers because I can't correct for you and this is, so you will be doing a self correction or self assessment. Okay, so let's begin. Number 1, are you feeling sleepy? Yes, I'm feeling sleepy. No, I'm not feeling sleepy. Was Ankit at home yesterday? Yes, Ankit was at home yesterday. No, Ankit was not at home yesterday. Do not use a small letter for names. Did you meet your friend last week? Yes, I met my friend last week. No, I did not meet my friend last week. See, number 3, yes, I met my friend last week. Met is a past tense because there is a last week. It is already gone. And this one, that is, no, I did not meet my friend last week. Since we have used did, so we are using meet as the present form of the verb. Okay, so no, I did not meet my friend last week. Do, does and did formula. You remember that what I gave you in the classwork. Number 4, will you get a teddy bear on my birthday? Yes, I'll get a teddy bear on my birthday. No, I'll not get a teddy bear on my birthday. Have you got a pet at home? Yes, I have a pet at home. No, I do not have a pet at home. Or no, I don't have a pet at home. You can use the short form. Number 6, is she your sister? Yes, she's my sister. No, she's not my sister. All the no sentences are negative sentence. Always remember that. Number 7, do you have a pen? Yes, I have a pen. No, I don't have a pen. Number 8, do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. No, I don't like coffee. So you can use the short form for the negative sentences, and these are the yes sentence and the no sentence, or the yes response and no response. So till now we have finished and we are done with our revision of the WH family and the whole question and answers session. Now the last part of this question and answer session is left, that is negative and positive sentences. Okay, so we will do the chapter number 7 in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Thank you everyone, and bye bye.